Plant FAQs, Syngonium angustatum. Syngonium angustatum, all you need to know about the arrowhead vine. Hi, Fervu here. Today, we're diving into the world of the Syngonium angustatum, also known as the arrowhead vine. This captivating climber is a favorite among plant enthusiasts for its unique foliage and easygoing nature. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious beginner, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about caring for your Syngonium angustatum. See more 41 species and genus Syngonium, arrowhead plant at monsteraholic.com. What is a Syngonium angustatum? The Syngonium angustatum is a climbing vine belonging to the Araceae family, which also includes popular houseplants like pothos and philodendrons. Native to the tropical rainforests of Mexico and Central America, this plant thrives in warm, humid environments. Its name, Angustatum, comes from the Latin word angustus, meaning narrow, referencing the plant's characteristically slender leaves. What does a Syngonium angustatum look like? The defining feature of the Syngonium angustatum is its foliage. Young plants boast beautiful, trilobed leaves with a prominent yellow vein running down the center. As the plant matures, especially when given a support to climb, the leaves develop deeper lobes, resembling an arrowhead, hence the nickname. Mature Syngonium angustatum can develop up to 9 distinct lobes on a single leaf, creating a truly stunning display. The leaves themselves come in a variety of shades, from deep emerald green to lighter lime hues. Syngonium angustatum versus Podophyllum. There's often confusion between Syngonium angustatum and its close relative, Syngonium podophyllum. While they share some similarities, there are key distinctions to keep in mind. Leaves. Syngonium angustatum features narrower, more elongated lobes compared to the broader, rounder lobes of Syngonium podophyllum. Maturity. The juvenile, trilobed leaves of Syngonium angustatum often have a prominent yellow vein, which fades as the plant matures. Syngonium podophyllum, on the other hand, typically maintains some degree of variegation even in mature leaves. Growth habit. Syngonium angustatum is a natural climber, while Syngonium podophyllum can function as both a climber and a trailing plant. Here's a table summarizing the key differences. Feature Syngonium angustatum. Syngonium podophyllum leaf shape narrower, elongated lobes broader, rounder lobes. Juvenile leaves trilobed with prominent yellow vein may have some variegation. Mature leaves loses yellow vein. Deeper lobes may retain some variegation. Growth habit. Climber, or trailing. How to care for Syngonium angustatum. Syngonium angustatum is known for its resilience, making it a great choice for novice plant owners. Here's a breakdown of its basic care requirements. Light. Prefers bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh, direct sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering is a leading cause of problems. Soil. Well-draining potting mix that allows for good aeration. Aeroids mix or a standard potting mix with added perlite are good options. Humidity. Enjoys moderate to high humidity levels. Grouping plants together, using a pebble tray or a humidifier can help create a more humid environment. Temperature. Thrives in warm temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius and 29 degrees Celsius. Avoid cold drafts. Fertilizer. Apply a balanced liquid fertilizer during the growing season, spring and summer, at half strength according to the package instructions. Common Syngonium angustatum problems and solutions. While generally easygoing, Syngonium angustatum can face a few challenges. Here's how to identify and address them. Yellowing leaves. This can be caused by overwatering, underwatering, or lack of light. Check the watering schedule and ensure the plant receives enough indirect sunlight. Brown spots on leaves. This could be due to sunburn from direct sunlight. Move the plant to a shadier location. Leggy growth. This indicates insufficient light. Provide your Syngonium angustatum with brighter indirect light. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites are occasional visitors. Regularly inspect your plant and treat them promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Remember, prevention is key. Regularly wiping down the leaves with a damp cloth can help deter pests. Propagating your Syngonium angustatum. Syngonium angustatum is a joy to propagate, allowing you to easily expand your collection or share the plant with friends. Here are 2 popular methods. Stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem with at least 2 nodes, leaf bumps. Remove the lower leaves and dip the cut end in rooting hormone optional. Plant the cutting in a pot with a well-draining mix and keep it moist but not soggy. Place it in a warm, humid location with bright, indirect light. Roots should develop within a few weeks. Leaf cuttings. This method requires a bit more patience. Cut a healthy leaf with a short petiole, leaf stalk, attached. Dip the petiole in rooting hormone and plant it in a pot with a well-draining mix, burying the petiole about halfway. Maintain consistent moisture and provide bright, indirect light. New growth should emerge from the base of the petiole in a few months. With a little care and attention, your Syngonium angustatum will reward you with stunning foliage and lush growth for years to come. So why not add this charming climber to your indoor jungle?